What's up guys? Welcome to our first video created by the Tech Guys SA. This video showcases our Dino game project. Don't forget to like and subscribe. The coding will only take a few minutes long.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Hey guys, I'll be running you through the code for the Dino game project. Firstly, we have our LDR that is constantly checking for changes in light. Or in simple terms, you could say that it's waiting for a tree to go past. When it senses a variation, it triggers the servo, which taps the screen, causing the dino to jump.
The servo motor. The function of the servo motor in this project is to receive a control signal that represents a desired output position of the servo shaft and apply power to its DC motor until its shaft turns to that desired angle. The light-dependent resistor varies the resistance in the circuit depending on how much light shows on it. When fully illuminated, the LDR has no resistance and current therefore flows freely through it. The Arduino board. The Arduino Uno board consists of both a physical programmable board and an integrated development environment which runs off your computer, used to write and upload physical code to the board.
Oh my God!
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, and hit that notifications bell so you stay updated with our new and upcoming videos. Thanks, bye.